This is where you'll find dog-related answers. Do you want to own a dog? Do you know what it takes to truly care for your dog in the best way possible? If you think you know it all, but want to learn more, or if you're a novice, this video provides a ton of up-to-date information about owning a dog, so read on. Whenever you travel with your pet, don't skimp on the packing. Of course you need to be well supplied with his food, water and any medications he may be on, but experts advise that you also bring his grooming supplies, vaccination paperwork, tags and an extra leash. Also, bring a flat sheet for when your dog will be on hotel furniture. If you are planning to take your dog on an extended car ride, talk to your vet about motion sickness medication first. Avoid feeding him before setting out to prevent queasiness and vomiting, and make sure you buy him bottled water if you are traveling to any destination that is known to have issues with water quality. Start training your dog as soon as you bring them home. Create a vocabulary list that all your family members will use to command the dog and stick to it. Dogs can become confused if the same words are not used to give them directions. The dog will see "get over here" and "come" as two different commands. Your pet needs vaccinations, much in the same way that your baby does. Some common vaccinations that dogs require include rabies, hepatitis and distemper. Each pet is different, and each will have a different immunization schedule. Your veterinarian is a great resource when it comes to which vaccinations are right for the age and breed of your pet. When it comes to priceless information, you now have all you need to get started. The first step is to take one tip and put it to use. Once you have mastered that technique, move on to the next. When you are using all the advice, find another video and start over. Your dog will appreciate it. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.